This following transmission is connecting to our friends and our students from the US continent. Our heart and soul connect to the ones who are connected to us from US and the rest of the world. We are grounded with the goddess of Bali, the goddess of Shiva. We are grounded with this Lake Batur energy, the energy of the water, the sea and land, the plants, insects, animals, and all the loving people in Bali. The mountain, the trees, and ground to the deep earth energy, deep down to the earth. At least 3 feet down, booted and going down to the center of the earth. And we connect to our first chakra. Our first chakra is the grounding chakra, also to cleanse our Akashic record. And also, the first chakra is the source of this energy, feeding the Lhasa in Tibet. So, from the peaceful energy of Tibet, we are feeding this energy to there and feeding the energy to our chakra, our sacred chakra, the which is at the bottom of the anus. This contains cleansing, removing, and transformation. We're exchanging energy from Mother Earth, connecting to our first chakra. Each one of the joints on our legs, our pelvis, our sacral, our ilium, and through our entire spine. From the crown chakra, connect to the entire spine to the bottom chakra. And make this energy perpetuate until all pain and all sickness is gone. We restore that peace of mind, the inner peace in our heart. Our heart connect to the first chakra. And we appreciate this golden energy connect to each one of ourselves. We send gratitude to the goddess of protection, the Shiva protection. We send gratitude to Mother Earth. All the birds are singing right now. The plants are celebrating this energy with us, celebrating the cleansing, the transformation. so that we can start a new day, a new life. This is also another new beginning in our soul, in this critical soul time. With many, many blessings. Namaste.